Hey guys!
Hey guys, we're back with another vlog.
Sorry if this is like wobbly. We're walking
To a secret destination.
I'll show you guys when we get there. This is vlog 2 of our summer
Summer break
episode.
Yeah. Today we are doing something really interesting,
Mm-hmm.
something brand new and fresh that you guys have never seen before.
Yeah, we told you guys, every vlog is going to be different.
Yes.
So we'll see you when we get there.
We made it.
I can't get off.
She's really struggling.
Oh. Good.
Step by step. This is the other side.
Give me like your stuff.
Pretty lit.
Hey guys, we are at the wall.
We made it. We just have our lunches and we're gonna have a little snack.
And
We're just gonna have some tea time, very calming in the natural world.
in our natural habitats.
Yes.
Thumbnail. Guys,
We're here. There were so many people who came by. Cherry juice everywhere. We just had cherries.
but yeah, they just kind of like stood right there on the ground.
And they were like looking at the wall and we're like,
We didn't even wait. We just kind of started laughing.
you know, we're just chilling. We're gonna walk around the woods after.
We're gonna go down to the railroad tracks, and we'll show you guys there.
And we're gonna go by the stream and fish and show you nature. So guys, we just left the wall. You can see it like kind of behind the trees, and then we crossed the bridge. Now we're here and we're gonna see where the trail takes us. This is like a hiking vlog, pretty intense.
Yes. I didn't wear my hiking boots today, so
Yeah, she wore her those.
dirty Nikes.
And I wore my Birks, which is even
A little
better.
dangeroso.
Yeah.
4K. I don't know Spanish.
Train tracks
This would be like a really cute like thing for like artsy photos. Want to do one?
and our cute outfits.
And then like
So guys, Alexa just freaking fell trying to get up, and now I have freaking dirt in my shoe. She absolutely ate it, and I was really mad I'm not recording. Really funny.
Baby.
I was recording the whole time.
What?
I was recording the whole time.
Wait, what else?
Yeah. The bugs are vicious, so we have to walk with our
Sunglasses on and like
sunglasses on. What's that gonna do for the bugs?
it's not gonna get my eyes.
Idiot.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yes, we are. This is the stream.
No.
What are you talking about?
No.
So this is the
Turn off
stream.
the camera. That's not the stream.
Yeah, it clearly is. Look at, do you
No.
not see the water?
Bet.
This is the stream I was
All right,
talking about.
Come over here. Come on. Come on, honey.
This is the stream I was talking about. No, the one I was talking about. I know, but this is the one I was talking about, so you can't say it's the wrong stream. I was talking about this one. What are you doing?
Did you get that?
Yeah, I did. It was disgusting.
This is the stream I was talking about.
This is like
It's got a
freaking-
beautiful bridge.
Oh yeah, it is
A little
pretty nice.
pipe thing.
That's
pulling out
like
some
the
water.
sewer. Let's see if we can find a frog.
Dude, what are the chances that you actually say, let's
know.
find a frog, and it just is like right there.
know.
Zoom in on it. It's right there. What a queen. Get rid of that.
All right, guys, we're taking this super sketch. Ouch! Literally, just got. This isn't even leading us anywhere. Ouch! There's like freaking pricker bushes, and the path is about an inch wide. Alexa's like, I know where I'm going. Guys, this is the current situation. So yeah, that was good. Now we are just going to Stewart's. We're hace calor. We're so hot. Where are we? Oh, We got it. So guys, I thought I knew that girl. So we're in Stewart's, and we don't want to vlog because people are watching us. We got Sundays. What did you say?
We got Sundays.
No, we got milkshakes.
Lying again to our viewers.
Alexa, you're lying again to our viewers. So we got milkshakes, but we don't want to be like, how? Because there's people. Hey guys, we just got back from Starbucks with our pinkity drinkitties. That's cringy.
I got a chocolate milkshake.
Not a sundae. I got
Not a sundae.
mint cookie crumble. Do you see that pigment? I do. Can you do that thing with your tongue, like? Comment below if you guys can do that. I can't. How do you do it?
I can do the 3-1-2.
Ew, that's so gross. This is literally so good. It's acai chloride. How hot is it out? Can you check?
With my 1% left, yeah.
How does she have 1%?
84, 88.
Oh, it's hot. We were gonna vlog inside because it was cooler, but there were so many people and they were just judging us. So
They were like looking at me and like,
like, I know, we're vlogging.
Like, have you never seen a vlogger?
I know.
Like,
Guys, so we just saw these people we know, and we're like,
That
hope
was
they
the
don't look
car.
at us. And the freaking car next to us has a buzzer going off.
of course, now it goes off.
Well, no, they still got it, but like, we're like, we hope they don't
but
look
yeah.
at us. I'm in the freaking car. You can't even probably see it right
They left the
there.
car door open.
No, there's people in it. I finished my milkshake.
Did you really?
Yeah. Oh my god, that was so embarrassing. They started looking at us and we were like,
We're
so
gonna
guys,
end the
we're
vlog
gonna
here.
end it here. Thank you so much for watching.
Subscribe
Like.
and comment.
I hope you guys really enjoyed this because we're just trying to get out. And,
get ourselves out there.
like,
Or we hope this isn't boring for you guys.
if it is, just comment suggestions.
Of what we should film.
Yeah.
Our last video we liked, but we definitely improved on this video.
Yeah, we think we did a little more action. Like, we were in the woods. Pretty actiony. We're still trying to do them once a week, but I think our schedules are a little
Wonk.
conflicting. So
Next week,
maybe 2 weeks or 1 week.
from now,
But
After
that
this
vlog is gonna be like
amazing.
how, like, y'all are gonna be shook from that vlog. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.